You recorded a yapping video and you want to add music to it, however the music is way overpowering. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust music volume and volume of other clips so that everything sounds just right. I made something special just for you. The Reels Blueprint is a free guide that shows you how to plan, film, and post short-form videos that actually feel like you. Grab yours using the link in my description and start showing up on camera with confidence. Woo woo! I'm going to start by just quickly recording myself talking. So I have a video of me talking. Hello. I want to have this, and I'm going to want to have music volume that's not overpowering my talking. So I have that video recorded. Now, when I go into Instagram Reels, I'm going to go into my profile and I'm going to click the plus sign in the top left corner. And then I'm going to select Reel. Now I can add that video of me talking. There's this special feature in here which is called Magic Cut. If you click on that, it's just going to get rid of the silences in the video for you, and it's just going to do a quick cut for you. So if you like that, just press next. I wouldn't suggest adding the music there on top. If I click on this, it's not going to allow me to adjust the volume of the track because it is muted. So instead, I have to add the music in a particular order. I can't just click on the top. Start over. So I'm going to add that Magic Cut next. And then I'm going to make sure I'm down here. And I press to add the audio clip from here. Add audio. Here's a song. Perfect. When you're talking, it's best to add a song that doesn't have words, because if you're speaking and your song has words, the words like fight each other. Even if it's quiet, the words are going to fight each other and it's not going to be as smooth as if it's an instrumental song. So I highly suggest picking a song that's just music when you're talking on camera. So now you can hear both the music and me talking, because I added it from the edit tab. Now, what I can do is I can click on the song itself and then I can change the volume of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it down to about 10. There you go. That's going to be loud enough so you can still hear the music, but not so loud that it overpowers me talking. So done. And then I'm going to click on the clips of me talking and you can see it's up to 100. And now when I listen to it, I still have that music, but I also have me talking and my voice is louder than the music itself.